Hello everyone, how are you today? If this is your first time here, my name is Udoh, and every week I share content on how to help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. So if this is your first time here, thank you very much for joining me. And for my subscribers and people who have subscribed in the past, I want to thank you for getting us to the 10,000 subscriber mark. You all are amazing, so thank you so much. I appreciate everything you have done and for sticking with me throughout my YouTube journey, and I just want to thank you all for being there for me and getting me over the 10,000 subscriber mark. So thank you. I really appreciate that. So in today's video, I just want to go over how to get back on track with your goals. I know that there are so many people going through a lot of financial hardship right now, or family issues or marital issues, and I do sympathize with anyone going through a tough time right now. However, I'm here to tell you that you can achieve anything you want. Okay, my channel it's on personal finance and wealth creation, but sometimes I feel we need a little bit of inspiration, a little bit of motivation to get us going. Like I said, my channel just crossed 10,000 subscriber mark, and this is in about 12 months. So I started posting videos last year during the health crisis. I was home just like everybody else, and I had nothing else to do, and I was on YouTube watching videos upon videos, and I decided, you know what, maybe I should start sharing some content with people to help people with their finances, because I could see what people were going through in terms of their personal finance. And that's why I started this YouTube channel, to be able to help people. So I pretty much broke everything down on what you need to do to get back on track. So number one, it starts with you making that decision that you're sick and tired of where you are and you want to institute a change in your life. That's where I was. I was sick and tired of where I was, and I was like, I have to make a decision now. I have to do something about it. Okay, so there are certain areas of your life that you need to take control of. Okay, you have to be accountable for your life. You can't wait for somebody else to help you out. Okay, you might get help along the way, but you have to make that decision on your part to step up to the plate and go for it and achieve your goals. All right, so there are 4 areas that you want to concentrate on. Number one has to be with your health. You have to have a health plan or health goal. Number 2, you have to have a wealth plan or a wealth goal. And number 3 has to do with your love life, and number 4 has to do with your happiness. So I'm going to break down every single category and go over it. On a side note, I am not a family therapist, I am not a financial advisor, I am not a tax professional. I'm just a regular guy on YouTube, just sharing my opinion and my life experience with you. So now that we have that out of the way, let's get back into this. So in terms of your health goal, you want to look at where you are today. If you find yourself out of shape, if you find yourself obese, the majority of the people right now are considered overweight or obese. Okay, and it all results from your nutrition. What are you putting in your body? All right, I am not a nutritionist, but the little bit I know, okay, whatever you put into your body shows out on the exterior. All right, so what if you're putting in junk food and all that, it's going to show in your physical appearance. No one's to blame except you, I'm sorry to say. So you have to make that decision starting today that you want to change your lifestyle, you want to change your health. All right, it all starts with getting up, going for walks, okay, every single day. That's one of the best forms of exercise you can do for yourself, is get up and go for a walk. Okay, walk around, get the blood flowing. All right, then you also have to watch what you eat, and you also have to watch how much you eat and stuff like that. So you want to make sure that you have a health plan, because without your health, it doesn't matter what happens to you. You can have all the money in the world, but if you're not healthy to enjoy it, then there's no point. So you have to take your health seriously. That's why I have also embarked on my health as well, in trying to lose some weight and be more conscious of what I eat and how I eat. All right, so you want to make sure you set up a plan for yourself on how to get there. Now, I'm working on my health goals right now because I understand the importance of, taking care of your health. So I'll keep you all posted on my progress, but this is not the place for that today. The next one is your wealth. The health crisis we had showed us that you cannot rely on one source of income. Okay, what's missing today in society is financial wellness or financial literacy. We are not taught how to handle money. We're not taught how to, save, how to invest. All right. There's so much resources out there on how to invest and how to save, but unfortunately, everybody is looking for the shortcut, or everybody, just wants to enjoy themselves now instead of delaying gratification. I made a video on how you can get wealthy in the next five years. So make sure you look at my channel for that video. You might learn a little bit there. So you need to have a wealth plan. You can't just go through life, working and paying and living paycheck to paycheck until the day you retire and then you're destitute. Okay, you have to make sure you have a wealth plan for yourself. We're only here for a short time, but before we check out of this universe, okay, you want to make sure you have a wealth plan where you can leave a legacy for your family, or if you have a charity in mind, you can leave your wealth to your charity or whatever, but you have to have a wealth plan. All right. Number 3, you have to have a love plan. All right. I know some of us are probably single or we're struggling to find, love, but there are people out there that are also looking for you. So you want to make sure that, you increase your network, you network with other people. You can sign up to a gym. I'm sure there are some gyms now that have events where you can meet like-minded people who are also involved in, fitness, nutrition, and that's how you can meet people. So make sure you go out there and, socialize with people. And with the health crisis coming to an end, hopefully, and everybody getting their vaccinations, then things will start opening up again. So you have to make sure that if you're in a relationship right now, you devote yourself, you commit yourself to your partner. I don't care what you are. You have to commit yourself to your partner. You have to find time, okay? You have to dedicate your time to your significant other. Otherwise, you will have issues. You cannot just be focused on your health and your wealth only. What's the point, having being fit, having all the money, but you don't have anyone to enjoy it with? So you want to make sure that you take care of your love life. All right. If you have a relationship right now, make sure you devote time to your significant other. And then the 4th piece is your happiness. You need to find what makes you happy. You need to find your purpose. Okay, for some people, it might be just making money and donating all the money to charity. That might be what makes them happy. For others, it might be painting. It might be someone that enjoys to draw or to paint. Okay, so for other people, it might be traveling. So make sure that you find what makes you happy. So I hope this video, has enough value for you. And if you're happy with what you just listened to, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And make sure you hit the notification bell so YouTube will notify you when I have a new video. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and also thank you again for getting this channel over the 10K mark. I'm really excited. I'm really thankful to everyone that's been here to support me throughout my journey, and we'll see you at 20K mark. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.